Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter. And evening time, and I was sitting around. I just came from work, and I was thinking, how about I do a comparison test between the Osmo, which has got really 3-axis gimbal built in, and the good old iPhone 10 that we were using. And the iPhone also has got a very good quality kind of image stabilization, but there is a special way of using the iPhone. So you have to get a small tripod with this mount, and I'm actually going to keep it like this, and I'm going to use it like this, holding it like this. So you know what, let's go outside, walk around the streets, and see what is the quality of audio from an Osmo Pocket and the good old iPhone. Let's go and check it out. Alrighty, test number one. Two cameras side by side, no autofocus, autofocused on both of them. And so this is shooting with iPhone's front camera, and this is with the Osmo Plus, this is with the Osmo Pocket. So the front camera does 1080p, so we are going to shoot at 1080p on both of them, and we'll see stabilization, and we will note autofocusing system. Face tracking on both of them is pretty decent, but Osmo actually does a better job in face tracking than the iPhone. Video test 2, and in this we are comparing the 1080p at 30 fps on an iPhone using the back camera and an inbuilt microphone, and then we are going to check what are the other quality, or what is the equivalent quality on a DJI Osmo Pocket. Now let's switch. The time is 5 p.m. right now. This is test 2, and we are checking out normal quality on the Osmo Pocket compared to an iPhone. So this is just a regular quality. This is 1-star quality, and then after this we're going to switch back to super fine quality and check super fine quality. Alrighty guys, so this is a super fine quality of 1080p. That's what DJI calls it as, super fine quality videos. So this is just a demonstration. The time is round about 6 o'clock right now, and this is the footage of super fine quality. Now to do another test, we'll be going back to our iPhone again and see how it performs at 4K at 30 fps. Okay, so again we'll be walking, seeing the stabilization. This is iPhone's 4K at 30 fps. We'll be doing a small clip because 4K 30 fps are huge files. So same stuff. Again, we are going to toggle to DJI's Osmo Pocket and check out 4K at 30 fps. So this is the 4K at 30 fps on the DJI Osmo Pocket. Also check out the microphone quality compared to an iPhone, because we have got a little bit of breeze going on from the side, and this is the 4K at 30 fps on DJI Osmo Pocket. Alrighty guys, so this is 4K at 60 fps. This is iPhone's 4K at 60 fps. This is microphone testing 1, 2, 3 with a lot of background noise. And at this environment, what happens to your voice when you are literally doing stuff in the street and there is a lot of background going on? So this is the Osmo Pocket that I'm shooting with. You guys will be the best decision on how it performs. Microphone testing 2 on the iPhone compared to the DJI Osmo Pocket. So a lot of background noise again, and if you are in a noisy environment, how does the microphone holds on to this tiny pocket? So this is a microphone test right now in the streets. Slow motion on iPhone at 240 fps. Alright guys, so there you go. Finally we completed the chapters and compared the iPhone features versus DJI Osmo Pocket. Now, to be very frank, the Osmo has an edge of that back camera flipping and becoming the front camera, while as you guys know that the iPhone's front camera does not do a good job. But the question remains that is it worth to upgrade to this if you have an iPhone, or if you're an iPhone owner, to a DJI Osmo Pocket? Well, you guys become the judge and see this video, and do write down in the comment section, what would you rather select, keeping your iPhone or just spend another $350 to get the new DJI Osmo Pocket? So let me know now in the comment sections, and stay tuned because we have got something very exciting coming up in the channel with the Osmo Pocket, and we are going to touch base on that later on. For right now, we did a comparison with an iPhone 10 versus this Osmo Pocket, and that's it. Let's roll and let's see what else we can do. So take care, have a nice night, and see you again later in the channel.